Hello friends, I present to you the round rail, which was created especially for belly boats. Float tubes. This accessory helps you organize your workspace more efficiently. It can be fixed in any two mounting systems installed on the outside of the inflatable tube. This allows for expanding the possibilities of using accessories and equipment, fishfinder monitor, transducer, table, cup holder and others. The devices fixed on this round rail do not clutter up the internal space of the boat since they are actually located overboard. The design includes a 90 centimeters long tube, on which three BBr900 mounting systems are installed, and in its end there is an accessory mount with a side T-bolt. These mounts create attachment points for at least 4 different accessories. You can install additional rigging accessories with a pad of PVC under each BBr900 mount. If desired, several additional mounting systems can be placed on the tube. All mounts are adjustable in relation to the round rail, allowing for choosing the right position of accessories. The round rail is equipped with 2 adapters for fixing it on the vessel. One of them is fixed motionless, and the second can move along the rail, adjusting the distance between the attachment points on the inflatable tube. The main parts of the product are made of fiberglass reinforced polyamide. The tube is made of an aluminum alloy coated with a black anode layer. I personally guarantee the high quality of BORIKA products, because I am their creator, inspirer, and active user.